Now that we have created our fan page, we want to personalize it to give it some meaning. As you can see, there's nothing on here about your business other than the business name and keywords. First thing you may want to do is add a picture. It's just like adding a picture to your profile. You click on this little pencil icon and upload a picture. That's what I'm going to do. Browse, double click the photo you want to upload, and there it is. After you've done that, you may want to just edit the thumbnail, because thumbnail is automatically set at the center of the image, but that may not be what you want to display it on the wall and newsfeed when you make posts. So I'm just going to edit that to put the D and the O as the thumbnail, a little bit more meaningful. Now you have here info. This is a very basic information about the business. Click on the info tab and then click on edit information. You can put in the address, the town. If you type in the town, it should come up with your location. If it's already in Facebook, you select that. When I'm Australia, postcode, and if you are an offline business and you do want people to call you, you ought to put in a phone number here. If you don't want people to call you, don't put in a phone number, because this is visible to anybody on the internet. Then you save your changes in that. Down here you have detailed info. You can put in your website and something about your business. Save the changes to that. Once you save those two sections, you then click on Finish Editing, and there is your basic info. I'm now going to show you how to import an external blog, because if we go to the wall here, you see there are no entries. You can update your status as you do with your Facebook personal profile, but if you are running a blog, whether it's a WordPress, Typepad, Blogger, anything at all that publishes an RSS feed, you can import it to the Facebook fan page. How you do that is you go to Edit Page, which is here underneath your profile picture. See here all the settings. What I'm looking for is the application called Notes, which is here. We click on Edit of the notes, and we have no notes. We're not going to write a note. We're going to import a blog, which is in this gray box. Import a blog from an external website. It's asking for the URL of the RSS feed. What's an RSS feed? Well, let's go open a new tab and go to my website, which is Aptitudo. This is a WordPress site, and you can see right away up here in the address bar we get this little icon, this orange icon. It's like a transmitter, and there's another version of it here. This is the RSS icon. If you're using Internet Explorer, it appears in the toolbar below the address bar, but in Firefox it's here in the address bar. If we click on this, it gives us a few options: subscribe to RSS 2.0, Atom 0.3, or the comments feed. We're looking for Atom 0.3. In my experience, that's the best way to import feeds to Facebook. We click on that and it asks us which type of feed reader we'd like to use to subscribe to that blog. Well, right now I'm not going to subscribe. All I want is the information that's here in the address bar. Right click on it, copy, and I go back to my Facebook Notes settings, right click and paste, and there you see the URL. I confirm that I have the authority to import this URL. It is my own work, and I click on Start Importing. What it will do is give me a preview of the posts from that feed. As you can see, there's the first few posts from my website. I click on Confirm the import, and it tells me you are now importing notes from an external blog. If we click on this link up here, this takes us back to the home page, to the fan page, and you can see my wall now has all the articles from my news feed on my website. And that's how you add a photo and import an external blog.